10 cash money business ideas for young entrepreneurs. So you're an aspiring entrepreneur and you're hoping to make a lot of money, so in the nearest future you wouldn't have to worry about your finances. You want to make enough so you can buy that house, that car, and partake in the luxuries that the wealthiest in the society get to enjoy. We know you want a better life, and we're here to provide you with a few business ideas that will help you get there. Welcome to Wealthy Fact, where you come to watch, implement, and get rich. This channel educates you on your finances, provides you with knowledge on business, and lays out a bunch of cold, hard facts that will set you on the path to financial freedom. Your subscribing to this channel is a sure way for you to always have access to the new content we're constantly putting out. Be sure to subscribe. This video aims to focus on generating a lot of options for when starting out as an entrepreneur. As an entrepreneur, you want to go into a business you feel passionate about. You also have to look around you to know what services are in demand, but not necessarily in supply, and figure out a way to provide these services. So without further circumlocution, let's get into it. Here are 10 cash money business ideas for young entrepreneurs. Number 1, food. If there is something that will never go obsolete, if there's something that is essential for everybody every single day, it is food. There are so many areas we can explore and so many success stories we can learn from. Billions of dollars get spent on food each year, not to mention the vast amount that is also spent on beverages. This is understandable because no matter who you are and where we are, we always need food for survival. So if you can find a way to make money by starting a business based on food, then you'll be sure to take your share from the billions that people spend each year. You can decide to set up a restaurant, bakery, food truck. You can even deliver home-cooked meals to customers. You can also work as a bartender and set up your own bar selling drinks and making different kinds of cocktails. You can also start a catering class, but more on that later. The food business has produced over 6% of the world's billionaires. When you strategize and you're able to provide the kind of products the market is looking for, you'll be sure to make huge profit. Take it from 19-year-old Morgan Hipworth, who is worth over $200 million from running a bakery business. Number 2, photography. Since the day that man made a machine that could store images, he's been able to make money off it. The average photographer makes over $30,000 to $40,000 per year, and those in the top 10% earn a minimum of $70,000 per year. There's a lot of money that can be made from photography and videography. It is a very creative endeavor, so if you want to make it big in photography, real outside-the-box thinking is required. If you know how to edit pictures and videos and you can build a large customer base, you can even create memes which are constantly in demand and can earn a lot of money. People like Richard Prince made millions from photographing images of other photographers and turning into works of art. YouTube personality Jack Films has gotten millions of views and is making a lot of money because of his adept use of Photoshop. You can also take bulk photos and sell the rights to your photos to sites like Pinterest and Flickr, which pay good money for photos. In the area of videography and editing videos, this is a skill set that is always on demand in areas like movie making, music video recording, and even video coverage of events and occasions. Number 3, social media. In the 21st century, social media has become one of the leading ways to make money. With the founders of Facebook and YouTube being ranked as prominent billionaires in the world, it is no surprise that there's a lot to be made on social media platforms. The major way that these sites make money is through selling advertising. Though it takes a lot of work, if you are able to create a social media brand, you can attract clients who are willing to pay you money to advertise their goods on your platform. Other ways of making money off social media are copywriting, management of social media accounts for companies, becoming an affiliate for sites like Amazon, where you can get paid for whatever goods sold under the links you provide. You can even monetize a YouTube channel or other platforms like TikTok, providing entertaining and engaging content. Social media offers a lot of opportunities. We recommend doing extensive research and finding out more ways to make money on social media. Number 4, entertainment. The music and film industry have made more money than one would typically expect. Research from PwC shows that the revenue made from the entertainment industry will reach $2.2 trillion by 2021. A plethora of areas and opportunity exist in the entertainment industry. It all depends on what your talents are and what you have a passion for. The major sectors that people have been known to make money from are acting, music performing, producing, book writing, dancing, and sports. And even if you are not good or skilled in such areas, if you have a passion for it, you can find ways to provide services that's needed by people who do. An example is working as an agent. You can build a connection with entertainment industries and help connect them with people who specialize in those areas. And don't stress yourself going to these companies personally. You can always work as an agent through the internet. Number 5, tutoring. Who said teachers couldn't earn big in this day and age? The opportunity to earn money through tutoring has never been greater. People have been able to earn money by tutoring people both online and offline. Online tutors stand to make an average of $60,000 per year. Yeah, that's right, $60,000. There are numerous websites that provide you with such opportunities. Some examples include Schooly, Wizen, eTutorWorld. What's most important is that you will be able to impact knowledge on others while getting paid handsomely. You start a catering class where you can teach recipes and cooking, and you can take your business online too. You can also run a coaching and consulting company made to help people have better lives in their family and workplace. Coaching people on exercising and losing weight is another area that is very profitable. You can launch a coaching and consulting practice and other small businesses centered on these fields. Popular personality Tony Robbins has made over $600 million in his practice as a life coach. His program, Unleash the Power Within, turns in $9 million annually, and that's just one program. Number 6, technology. Choosing a business based on technology is probably one of the most innovative ways to make money in this day and age. Focusing on sales of gadgets and other technological products is a profitable venture, given the demand for such products. Also, being a private agent representing tech companies and helping them reach people with their products could be very lucrative. Focus on the skills that involve technology, such as engineering. Businesses centered on engineering-based products account for 4% of the billionaire industries in the world. You can also delve into learning skills concerning web development, software development, graphic designing, etc., which is the bedrock that most of these tech-based products need to run. The success of these businesses are only going to soar higher in the coming years, with an estimated increase in the percentage that tech businesses hold in the world economy. Number 7, fashion. Are you a fashion lover or a fashionista? And are you wondering how you can make money off your love for fashion? Well, look no further. We all need fashion. You don't even have to sell clothing or be a fashion designer, though these areas are very lucrative should you endeavor to profit off them. Even just having an eye for trends can make you money. While starting your fashion-centric business, you have to understand that fashion has so many diverse areas that we could not possibly discuss in one video. Here are a few areas to look into. Online t-shirt business, making and selling of jewelries, leather business, purses and bags, shoe line and shoe stores, etc. You can sell skin and hair care products, makeup, and all other sorts of accessories. All these areas require investing in high-quality materials and having an acceptable knowledge of business. The trick to become an expert in your niche, especially if you are starting small in fashion, is to target a particular market. Maybe you want to sell to a particular sex or to a specific age, or even fashion based on a specific sport, to help you gain advantage over the big companies. Number 8, cleaning services. Do not kid yourself thinking you cannot make money from a cleaning business. A study in the UK shows that more than 3 million households spend their money on domestic help. Though it's very servile, the cleaning business is very profitable if you're willing to get your hands dirty, literally. Cleaning business includes cleaning homes and offices, laundry stores, car washes, etc. It is a very good place to start and requires no cost for starting. It also doesn't really require much experience, and there are very few overhead expenses, especially if you're starting small. Though the cleaning business is a very tasking, with time, if you play your cards right, you can turn in a huge profit. Michelle Spitzer, owner of more than 5 Made Pro stores, started her business while she was in college by cleaning houses in her spare time. Now she runs a successful company worth several $million. I was literally making it up as I went. Started with me, myself, and I, and then gradually things went up. If you are going to start a business, just take action and do it. Just go for it, said Michelle Spitzer. Number 9, real estate. A lot of people are unfamiliar with what real estate is. Real estate is basically centered on sales and renting of houses, land, offices, or buildings. And the person who does this is a realtor or real estate agent. If there's any business that is sure to give you a 7-figure income, it's real estate. But don't be deceived. There's a lot of planning involved if you're going to make it in this venture. You have to be able to distinguish yourself as a business owner and figure out what kind of realtor you are going to be. If you are willing to work as a real estate agent, you will be relying a lot on attracting clients, cultivating leads, and having a prepared knowledge of the market. You have to work on your marketing abilities and enhance your negotiation skills. To a realtor, everyone is a prospect. Everyone is a potential client. For a realtor, success is 1% inspiration, 98% perspiration, and 2% attention to details. Phil Dunphy. Number 10, agriculture. Now I know what you're thinking. Agriculture? Seriously, who wants to be a farmer? Well, not all agriculturalists are farmers, and even the small-scale farmers are able to earn good money. There's a lot that we can talk about when it comes to starting a career in the agricultural sector. The agricultural sector is vast and it includes so many areas. Examples are forestry, animal husbandry, and fisheries are all able to earn you great income. Agriculture is so useful because of the products it provides. It is the foundation of which a lot of industries depend on. It provides the necessary materials to run the food, fashion, housing, health, and a bunch of other industries. Knowing which area of agriculture to start a business on might be difficult because a lot of the areas are highly profitable. You can decide to work in the animal sector, dealing with poultry and livestock, or even just snail farming. You can look into the provision of raw materials like rubber and other cash crops like coffee and cocoa. You can even start a floral trade concentrating on selling flowers both for decorative and fashion industries like perfume and makeup sectors. The possibilities are endless and the income large if you're willing to look into it and work towards these kind of businesses. Understand that business is no easy thing. You are going to hit a few bumps on the road. You are going to make a lot of mistakes as you go on your way in whatever business you choose. But if you keep on persisting and working hard, you will definitely make it. This concludes our itinerary for this video. We hope you enjoyed watching. Please like the video because it really helps us a lot. And if you want us to make a full video going deep into the above industries we mentioned and the ways you can make money of them, please leave your requests in the comments below. Until next time, bye for now.